Hello and welcome back to IndipinoyTech. We're going to look at what happened to my gimbal after I sent it to DJI for repair. I've got the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 back and yes, this is working. I'll switch it on and you'll get to see how it comes back to life. Okay, there you go. If you notice that swing was very nice. Okay, you'll see that green light there. It just shows that this is on and functional. Okay, I'm going to switch on the screen and connect the gimbal. Okay, you will see that it shows that it is connected and it is able to shoot video on this. Okay, let me put that in perspective there. I'll hit the record button and you see that it is recording. I can stop recording too. Okay, all the axes are working. If you notice, up, down, left, right, everything seems to be working. The gimbal is in proper working condition. Now, for those of you who are having problems with your DJI products, I'm going to give you an overview of how to reach out to DJI and claim warranty if it's within warranty. If not, how do you request them to fix it and you get to pay for it. There is an option for you to get service from DJI officially, and you need to pay for it. There is comfort in knowing that there is this company that is handling the entire repair process, and that's excellent. If you look at the gimbal, there is absolutely no sign of opening. There is absolutely no sign of any repair. It has been fixed without any problems. Okay, let's go to DJI.com. We click on the support menu right on the top, and then from there we click on registering our online repair request. Once we are on that page, we can now submit a repair request by entering all the relevant information. Once you hear back from DJI, you can track the repair request by entering all the details like the case number and other details into the website, and I'll show you the screenshots of the same. Once you get an intimation from DJI, you can ship it to them. Once you ship them the item, they show you on their screen that they have received it. Once they check the device, they give you a quote on how much it's going to cost you, and then they show you the progress after you pay that amount on what are the steps that are being followed. And once they repair it, they ship it back to your address. Their process is very straightforward, and I had no difficulty at all getting the device fixed. Actually, I had a problem with them quoting an amount, and when I said my device was within warranty, they checked back and they told me that yes, it is under warranty, and therefore I didn't have to pay a single rupee to get it fixed. And as you have seen, it is in complete working condition, flawless, no sign of repair, and I'm enjoying it now. I hope this video was informative and would solve quite a number of your problems. If it did help you, please do not hesitate to hit that like button or even subscribe to the channel. Share this video so that your friends would also benefit out of it.